JBT's Frigoscandia range of GYRoCOMPACT spiral freezers, with its patented self-stacking belt, is now the industry benchmark for quality, hygiene, operating simplicity and reliability. The Frigoscandia GYRoCOMPACT 40 spiral freezer maintains all the key features of Frigoscandia's spiral freezing technology. These include the Frigo Drive conveyor system, the FrigoBelt Nova self-stacking belt, an updated control panel, and JBT's unrivaled hygiene features. These are combined with lower energy consumption and a very compact footprint. Designed specifically for use on 400mm processing lines, the freezer is capable of freezing or chilling up to 1,000 kilograms of product per hour. The freezer is extremely compact at only 6.5 metres long and 2.4 metres wide, and it can be as low as 2.9 metres high, depending on required capacity. In fact, it's so compact it can be shipped as one single piece of equipment. Despite its compact design, the freezer has larger capacities than many comparable competitor models. So it's ideally suited for smaller frozen food manufacturers with limited space that wish to move from cryogenic into mechanical freezing, or have applications such as ready meals, meat, poultry, fish and shellfish, baked goods, and certain types of fruit and vegetables. The freezer is based on one of JBT's original and best-selling products, the GYRoCOMPACT 400 Classic Spiral Freezer, which has sold over 1,100 units throughout the world. It retains the original world-leading technology, but with a number of improvements, including increased accessibility, even more advanced hygiene features, lower running costs, and higher yields. The stainless steel FrigoBelt conveyor system forms the product freezing zone. The belt feeds into the tension-free drive system and is completely self-stacking, spiralling onto the next tier, forming a closed freezing zone. The belt then returns to the infeed, making a continuous loop. The principle of a self-stacking belt is unique to Frigoscandia. The GYRoCOMPACT 40 spiral freezer features the new and improved FrigoBelt Nova. This has the same interlocking features as previous models, but has increased lateral strength for even better durability and safe operation. The powerful patented Frigo Drive system supports 30% greater stack weight and 30% faster belt speeds than previous models. This means lower drive forces, less lubrication, and no sliding friction. The Frigo Drive system replaces the outdated wagon drive system and is simple and elegant. The Frigo Drive chain operates on a ball bearing system, which minimises friction. This reduces the force on the belt, greatly increasing the lifespan of both the belt and the drive system. Driven by low-power motors, the inner and outer chains move quietly and with minimum friction. Above them, the belt stack turns as a single unit, with no need for supporting uprights or rails, outside or inside, so there are no stationary parts to cause jamming or to complicate cleaning, ensuring continuous production. This also means there is no drum required to wrap the belt around, so there is no risk of overstretching the belt. JBT's unique vertical airflow system provides even air distribution across the belt and throughout the entire spiral. The controlled airflow uses cross-current heat exchange, the most efficient way to transfer heat. Freezing air is directed vertically down through the layers of the stack and over the rising product, putting all circulating air to maximum use. Cold air is fed from top to bottom through strategically placed holes on the inner side of the belt stack, creating ideal air currents. The increased turbulence created around the products provides the highest possible rate of heat transfer. This means shorter freezing times, lower dehydration, and maximised product quality. There is also no risk of the horizontal airflow moving the products. The freezer can process up to 1,000 kilograms of product per hour. This is an increase in capacity of between 15 and 20% on its predecessor, and around 35 to 40% higher than can be produced on any competitive freezer of the same size. The Frigoscandia GYRoCOMPACT spiral freezer is, we believe, the world's most hygienic freezer. The FrigoBelt self-stacking conveyor system, with its improved hygienic drive system, forms a closed, self-contained product zone, meaning there are no complex or dirt-trapping support structures required. Its new open-profile design minimises areas for bacteria growth, while making the cleaning process much easier and more effective. As an option, blue plastic is available for the small number of glide strips to add further hygiene benefits. The self-stacking spiral is very easy and efficient to clean, and does not require complex cleaning systems. It also consumes much less water than previous models. The freezer is also available with 3 different levels of clean-in-place systems, depending on your product and production requirements. The new design also brings reduced power consumption, as the outfeed drive system on the self-stacking belt has also been redesigned, and a new automatic lubrication system with fewer lubrication points lowers oil consumption by 30 to 40%. The freezer features ProLink, a state-of-the-art control panel and HMI system, with a user-friendly operator interface, a 12-inch touchscreen, and the option to add more functions. All Frigoscandia freezing systems are built to be reliable and low in maintenance, and the GYRoCOMPACT 40 spiral freezer with its powerful FrigoDrive system is no exception. The simplified outfeed means less belt wear, less maintenance, and less energy consumption. The belt take-up requires less winding, giving longer belt life and easier access for cleaning. The self-supporting floor is very sturdy and well insulated, with no cold bridges. The floor is shaped like a bathtub and slopes towards the drains in the corners. This provides effective drainage, faster cleaning, less downtime, and no bacterial traps. And the fully welded and elevated floor-to-wall joints minimise the risk of water penetrating the floor and freezing up. All Frigoscandia freezing, chilling and proofing systems can be easily integrated with JBT's other product lines to provide complete, in-line food processing solutions. These include DSI waterjet and blade portioners, Stein coating, frying and cooking systems, Double D impingement cookers and searer grill markers, and FormCook contact and combi cookers. Tests can take place at any of JBT's food technology centres in Helsingborg in Sweden, Edinburgh in the UK, and Sandusky in the USA. There is also an innovation centre in Kunshan in China. Every installation is backed up by flexible service agreements, staff training, an efficient spare parts service, and the guiding principle that JBT works hand in hand with its customers to help them develop, expand, and prosper. JBT, we're with you right down the line.